Don't fight back, trust God. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa bawat isa. Ako si Pastor Wes at ito ang Magkape. May taong siniraan ka, kaya gusto mo ring linisin ang iyong pangalan. May taong nanakit sa'yo, kaya gusto mo ring gumante. At minsan, sasabihin natin, deserve naman nilang maranasan ang ginawa nila sa atin, di ba? Pero, here's the question. Just because you can fight back, does that mean you should? Yan yung devotion namin kanina sa Magkape. Nasa 1 Samuel chapter 26 na po kami. At dito namin nakita na si Saul ay hinahabol niya ulit si David. One night, nakapasok na sina David at Abisai sa camp ni na Saul. Habang natutulog silang lahat, nakita nila si Saul na vulnerable siya. Walang kamalay-malay at may spear sa tabi niya. Isabi ni Abisai, God has given your enemy into your hand. Makita natin yan sa 1 Samuel chapter 26 verse 8. Pero ano ba talaga ang perfect opportunity para tayo ay gumante? Pero sabi ni David sa 1 Samuel chapter 26 verse 9, do not destroy him. Bakit? Because David trusted that God could handle Saul better than he could. Sabi niya sa verse 10, the Lord will strike him. David was not saying Saul was innocent. He was not ignoring injustice. He simply refused to take revenge into his own hands. Alam niyo po sa Romans chapter 12 verse 19, never avenge yourselves but leave it to the wrath of God. Ang Greek na ginamit doon sa avenge ay ekdikeo. Ibig sabihin, to take revenge or personally execute justice. Hindi ibig sabihin na never kang mag-set ng boundaries or seek legitimate justice. It means don't allow revenge to control your heart. Remember this. Kaya kung may taong nakasakit sa'yo, you don't have to get even to prove yourself right. Do what is right. Protect what needs protecting. Seek appropriate justice when necessary. But leave revenge to God. Don't fight back. Trust God. Because God sees what happened, knows what you cannot see, and He is a righteous judge. Kung may kakilala kang nagtatanong, paano ba pumunta ng heaven? Meron po akong link diyan sa description, i-copy mo yon at isend sa kanya. Again, ako si Pastor Wes, na laging nagsasabing, be an inspiration at solution po. Ingat po kayo. God bless everyone. Bye.